Okay, so we want to solve each of these systems of equations by elimination. The first one, we have 6x minus 3y equals 6, and 6x plus 8y equals negative 16. We have a 6x in common. It's the same thing for both. And so that means that we need to subtract. Because if we add them, then we'll just end up with 12x and 5y. So we need to subtract. We need to subtract our two equations. So we're going to do 6x minus 3y equals 6 minus 6x plus 8y equals negative 16. 6x minus 6x, that's 0. Those go away. Negative 3y minus 8y. You're at negative 3. You're subtracting, so you're going to go farther left. That's going to put you at negative 11y. And 6 minus a negative 16 minus a negative becomes a plus. So 6 plus 16, that gives us 22. So we have negative 11y equals 22. We divide both sides by negative 11. Then y equals negative 2. And so we're going to plug that back in, and it doesn't matter which equation you plug it into. Let's plug it into the first one. So we have 6x minus 3 times y, and y is negative 2. We figured that out. Equals 6. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. So we have 6x plus 6 equals 6. We subtract 6 from both sides. Those are going to cancel, and we get 6x equals 0. Divide both sides by 6, we get x equals 0. And so our ordered pair for the first one would be 0, negative 2. Okay, for the second one, this time we have a positive 6x and a negative 6x, so let's go ahead and add our two equations together. 6x plus negative 6x, that's going to cancel out. That leaves us with nothing. 5y plus 7y, that gives us 12y is equal to 4 plus 20 is 24. Divide both sides by 12, and we get y equals 2. Okay, and now we can plug that back in. Let's plug it back into the bottom equation. So we have negative 6x plus 7 times y, and we know that y is the same thing as 2. So 7 times 2 is equal to 20. Let's simplify that a little bit. Negative 6x plus 14, 7 times 2 is 14, equals 20. Subtract 14 from both sides. And we get negative 6x. 20 minus 14 is a positive 6. Divide both sides by negative 6. And x equals negative 1. So our ordered pair for this one would be negative 1, 2. Okay, and that's it for this one.